Yabri, don't call Cassia boy to Yeshan, some as a brown now, but said Bia. And Canoman paying no Kafu, Matra Oya the second lady, the second lady. Oya Samira Baumia, Abamazan, Ejasin, pretty much and some nothing ma. When you are break cancer, you are 4,500 Waya Fibiara, each there, Oya Misafona, or Abamazan, Futumutana, now Oko share Oya, who from Papa. The Master Energy Commission, I chance him in the Obia, no bread to bury when you own some truffle, but modern this Mississippi into wire and some truffle, the medicine crown, what someone a one power bobwa, much with the ultimate area pay. Ghana Bambo Juma and you are very sentient there. Police, Mr. So you be called, Kato, or you do, or you from a second word to Nawa Bur and Nazamba, we had more one wabon return on ya as some other from Iboko share. Sister, I can say. Bamba for when say etumina akan buko akwhwe mpefupia wotumina wakasa afa oya damage medu enkano buffer stock ka buffer stock ahon na woche ezibana ho kokama oya doma we ya dusuafo we school sa akoro no open power down no nse etuma akan ba sam ba nse etuma akan den kire enye hin foforo sese kese wotu no sebo a oroko oya na him kro an kesan so be to be no abo model fe butum no wezi no dwumedi ho e bako akohwe oye dunko no fen mi se wotum wezi dro papa o se na adene sha so odwekwa na yesi ekwakupe oye dunko no fen na ekwa akohwe sebefia dentetation kun kasa ho ama nazema of be to be abo model fe wotum no wezi nam ina pinyo kaka ho na ndaso hinsa ka ebo model aba be dam oye nazema misinizi Omar Bin Abdullah yenda yusma babi Yeba, when you are in Zida, no matter by me, but you do. I say, Middle, you're not Biana. I'm going to you about this. Every time I just a baby shit. Mangashi.
I'm saying so now for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm using the why. My why?
Down Yankanawa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, ye convenient.
LPG, let me see your hand. Ooh, I got yeah. Masan mama wakwa bebiem ezeni biem ye Omar Bin Abdullah ye shansam na asita ye kwa kasha si oye enkano he second lady Samira Baumia her excellency agency period nsemetuma to go achensem de bebe so amman yetum na yerekonu no order for to be no October busum biara mesafo bo modern efi kokosho ho nefu nefi otum hu de ho apomodene sam autumn no orkoye Samira Baumia, the former second lady, Gina Simpido, Abina, and yes, some chopping chunkomo, where if Graham Mason Mahanache and same day. Osha Fibiara, Nazama, once a car or year, Cocromiaba, auto any from your 4,500, the number of fan, and Shaniana, Wotumna, Wakotia, and the non warrior instead of into what the task rams are far, woman in Kunum, and I abaton and heard of for to be. Oma Mazen and Conquest for Napo, Medina, some of Yaba Papa, did they be able to if you etum a check Wapomazen. Yankee says Samira Baumia, Abrea, or a chance cemetery, Doma, our film to me, and some trophies that automocan.
Who have shared their story. For all of you being here today, your bravery, your resilience, your honesty reminds us that breast cancer is not only a medical condition, it's a shared journey that touches families and communities. Every diagnosis is not just a number, but a personal story of faith, of fear, of pain, of perseverance, but importantly of courage and of hope. So I acknowledge all the survivors, the advocates, and the caregivers, those who continue to give strength support others walking this difficult road. You are the true champions of this cause. As was mentioned earlier, every October the world unites to mark breast cancer awareness. It is a time to honor the lives touched by the disease and renew our commitment to equitable care and early detection for all. Beyond the pink ribbons and campaigns, this month is a powerful reminder of the awareness that must lead to action, and that action that will save lives. Breast cancer remains one of the leading causes amongst women worldwide. In Africa, breast cancer has overtaken cervical cancer as the most commonly diagnosed cancer in women. Tragically, many of these cases are diagnosed late, when hope is dim and treatment less effective. Here in Ghana, it is estimated that about 4,500 women are diagnosed with breast cancer each year, and nearly half of them do not survive. 4,500 women in Ghana have been diagnosed with breast cancer. And survive. And to say, more than 2,000 every year is because of breast cancer. And we says our 2,000 said all hospital in Tema, doctor in Tema, if we are a number every single day, a day year, at least 6 Ghanaian women lose their lives due to breast cancer. And while it's rare, you must also remember that a man on cancer, and should I know to be removed, but a man in you. It's a man on not take BB, I will look for a straw, so for hospital. Now, on my head, almost sure, yes, over 2,000. These are mothers, these are our sisters, these are our daughters. Okay, mommy. They're now for intimate. Breast cancer is not a death sentence. It is detected early. Solution for a new problem. Let's talk about it in our homes. Let's talk about it in our churches. Let's talk about it in our mosques, our workplaces, in our communities. Let us encourage one another to go for screening. Let us support one another emotionally, financially, spiritually. Let us break the silence and end the stigma to many survivors' feet. Now I'm checking for wedding. Check you. When we are baby, oh mommy, oh papa, encouraging us almost all of them on checking. Now, me too. Suffer about us. Running with people. If you say me possess big man, the casting much said, obey your breast cancer. I said, on my cancer for Paris or because said naturally. Breast cancer, open to be cancer, no. It doesn't work that way. Open or breast cancer, and just obey now, so baby. And now, said it's a good be no what, and not just say, oh, yeah, people. It's in your good broken husband. Or when you're so young, nobody involved, you're so near trauma. Now, why?
The former second lady, Samira Baumia, Bombazin, if you're to to go. Don't go because I was so good or your Coastaltv or your Abre. Your chance some desire quick general energy commission. Children say me them pepper, so to me, ye them pepper, so offer to be able Mazin if you identification call is a more some truffle. I'm a wood measure wood to Muzin, a fatter or your energy commission. Energy commission change him, offer to be no, and doesn't appear we some truffle. Aben huge meza woods in nature to Montasi, ekwan pa oba fere wotum no wo use oya ho technical terms wotum da bo oya amande me chair report na obode bebi na aya atete papa abira energy commission wo de ho sam to go chen same day yehwa Ghana fo nazama pinya na yetum na yesai oya in makania o chen sema yedi pempen so a wo de bo maze na fi yetum na save oya nkania na reduce ekwana ye foda yetum use nkania o se mbiripi na nzama yebotum use no fie orokọ oya adwuma obejene hina yetum ezisido na efi wotum wada neja de ma so na birim ho a wo hwe nzama na bozen mi zo tum oya na so ede be fie a ekwana ba foda yetum na etu oya yerma ma ndin nkania no na nyaza odum odefum kra nto wo mede sabi anya na yetum yeto na yetum use na so yede pempensa ore ba maze na fi itum itabo na nzama bi a on se fata onomboa yema de kania no entum na entra ho no ye ba maze na fi itum yira akwa open pa oka oye energy commission ho mo bo bi djuman oye open cobra from Paul de mesem tugwa abran some chof chonkom
say energy commission a power regulator in Ghana. As a regulator of the power sector in Ghana, now you regulate the appliance market. Now, you who say, and never be great, Ghana, I am not being for China. And so you create a standard. 80 and maybe a John Parliament, a pass a law, I see a regulating appliance, refrigerator, air conditioner, and a bulb. I do baby who said, and Brano, I had too many years. The appliances in the green count, send a day or month for a good appliance. Almost with me in 2022, na Parliament, a passing Brano, and my energy commission. Say for 17 new and a country, year 20. Some railway buy a roadmap out of it. And the other said, we need to have the energy commission. We go chroma, we are consumer. Sounds on a wall, also a viewer, also cook room or a consumer. A bed in your appliances and the papa now yet to be a Dijuma with fee. The parliament didn't run by. In same media, a strategic stakeholder, say almost Saka, someone of Momotia, energy commission, a Juma IAT. They say a Ghana for Naya group media from various platforms. Say a print, say a TV, and I say a radio, and online. You can't be more. May a trillion, may a moment who set here and Brano is here to my any emotion. Now, if you almost say, I almost the carbon tier. Now, what ocean and most sweating near whom and near my air cost or my Moses say dear, and nearby be of far, Ghana by Ama say energy commission regulating. The bit is said in Canada, Nanka. Yeah, refrigerator, air conditioner, and a bulb, and an energy commission, yellow label, and carry. And so, and I'm saying, run off from the bar 2022. They say, near money at the 17 up account. It be a washing machine, it be a TV, it be a fan, it be a street light, it be a distribution transformer, or a kitchen, and microwave, and rice cooker, and have a electric motor, air conditioner, and have a television. And then near my account, after ground, you say, Ama, anybody who say, and I'm saying yellow label, no, you carry anymore, Yana more for say, and only your papa, a my Sasha City. Yana will be person also put yellow label on why yellow, not on your coffin again. If I say, now I say, we see on your sofa, and I know I change them. It's the Energy Commission, and the new regulation, under the new regulation. Yeah, the QR code at the yellow label so could you shop 100% of appliance and one is a audio phone scan the QR code. Not the information original way database I be good phone now they are compared the entire again and say paper now after so the app will be about so only QR code which yellow label no because say actual appliance model number. What type of a app no one who me send the pay let the same information at the good phone for now they are checking and over ama or so business microphone almost a giant. If you say energy commission say the yellow label bomb and on the papa after so cotano the yellow label no and suma the the more the stars the more efficient the appliance. In other words, the more the stars, the more energy efficient. And as the more the stars, the less energy it consumes. And nothing I don't prefer be per se, or more ankasa peko first we have more stars. You just crack any adjusters. So, person class area man the bar and run about from say the register with Energy Commission. After the registration, who register plans now they banner. Not just a way important number would be more. This is all the banner city about Energy Commission in the power this area and buy. After all the bands one, sign a factory test report from a third-party laboratory will manufacture with more or now the Energy Commission very much say appliances will have buy here. The should have both they said yes, the energy consumption pattern is a 1 star. Me and 1 star, me the QR code number. Now they are common manufacturer, which will manufacture again in the banner. Not yellow label. It's a yes car. And I am from being able to answer energy commission. No, it be see that. What they for factory test report in the brand. The version the amount star rating in the and brother so say and sun appliance in the field go to the banner. Now yellow label a carry so and some farm at that kind of issue with the home. This is a new square if you are that kind of one. It's what depending on say fridge and military a 1 star, a 2 star, or a 3 star. A bassa who was a consumer water importer so water. A buy so a water if you say so you so inefficient appliances a chain of our delivery. A bassa demand side and no so since energy makes hydro no about 28%. Renewable energy, only 2%, 78 million from thermal. Thermal, no, you have to say generator kakraka. I am busy. Na a deep boom backward, breezy at the panel.
Dame Sami ne Pinyoka Kaho na Oya on your paying Cobina Fimpon or Dinijmedu or Oya Energy Commission. WOY William Mensa, ya Sojanya, Aquabur, Oya, when I want to move to the Drew Wire Pharmacy. Basamba. WO1 suma na bada nkonkoto oye edura ofere diwe ma to meba na akokodu oye apomedere emsre oye famous word woyi nduri ebaasa ni ya ediwe ma na ocheche mutum kire nde kwana butum afoda wotum wonye oye eduru bi wo kire nse me de eduru ni ya oye 65 Ghana cedis abra WO1 na ba oje eduru ko fie no na papa se de meduru ni ya zo otum opeda nto de na ba san be fie na asre ode na ba san ba oye famous wo enya butan chechire nsem ntum nkyire hon ti mo ba ne abro no to mo krodo ye kohwe WO1 sorry bobox no sorry ede no za otum ye wo ya famous wo abira orobor oya pharmaceutical domo ye djuma wo no
what? What? You know what? Hey, what could you do? So I always do that. Hey, you say? Come on. No, you don't beat people up like that. What that? What map? Yeah, no, that's how you. Who got you? No, what pushing? Or can you? They should bring the change. How much? I gave him the.
Sooner penalty de me na WO1 oye William Mesa wotum na wadenezi. The men semi abaye nsema waye hoye ntoma oye Ghana Armed Forces wosi sabi nsoso nsamfondo ntisi ara hwehwemu a otum orkodo zenzena wakachi oye WO1 Mesa yankwehwe abia akwa akafana akọ oye police station no za otum osi. WO1 Mesa was an academic military police a soja na ya sobrachiwa military police na wutumwechon na da mko friend the way hu yehun oya tete papa da me some kriyara na oya reverend honorable in team Fojo oya ranking member on defense and interior achin sem there asam na ayo na oya tete papa abandan na oya soja nya ofebere to bere no alebo oya japaze na nazema wo ho bana oya Ghana eduru kukrobakura akwa akotonti hwe nazema etum na ezu hu nti nyaza awoda wotum na wodzen bone chenkura awoda wo yenefa oya mbrakondo yenkohwe oya honorable reverend intim Fojo ranking member on defense and interior oya mbresebogofie abran samchofo yetun komono no za odutu gwani.
Really disappointing to watch this video of a soldier who is expected to rather keep a very healthy and cordial relation with civilians, rather for whatsoever provocation or otherwise assaulting a woman and assaulting a pharmacy attendant. It's most condemnable, and I want to commend the high rank of the Ghana Armed Forces for the very swift manner they effected the arrest of the soldier in question and the internal processes that is being undertaken. But I would want to say that beyond the internal processes, the professional level that Ghana Armed Forces may take, this is criminal on the face of it. I mean, you still will do your investigations, but you can conclude that this assault is criminal, and the Ghana Armed Forces cooperation with the Ghana Police Service will be very essential for the applicable criminal charges to be filed and for other consequential prosecutions to be undertaken. But I would want to caution that general comments that will be prejudicing the conduct and the reputation of the entire Ghana Armed Forces. Don't forget that we have several thousands of very fine soldiers in Ghana. Ghana Armed Forces is one of the most formidable, one of the most creditably conducted, soldiers we have on the continent and beyond. And so when such unfortunate incidents occur, is isolated. He was not even in uniform. He was just going about his private, enterprise and engaged in such criminality. So the matter, crime knows no color, crime knows no profession, crime knows no uniform. So that the crime will be dealt with according to law, but we should be restrained not to make references or general comments that may be unfair to the general reputation of the fine soldiers we have in this country. Yeah, I do not think that this is a matter that should be stretched beyond an individual who has misconducted himself and gone above the law, who is not immune from the law, and the law will do what. If had been excesses of a soldier who is on duty and went beyond their duties, those could speak of some systemic, suggestions. But this case, I mean, from the face of it, is condemnable, and I don't think that it will be enough basis to want to rope in and cast, slur or cast any form of doubt on the entire reputation of the Ghana Armed Forces. Let us keep supporting the Ghana Armed Forces. As and when such isolated infractions occur, it will be dealt with, and we'll support authorities to deal with them.
For the Reverend Kennison, Yokutia, Yaketia, Yaza, off from Rekun Papa, Sojinia to Nefi Ebo, and Zamane de Padoban, and Nanda Nazama de Padoban, Yida etumine Ibudame Amembi, into Oya criminal case, I would have to for Oyambra Kwando, Nefi Otumina, Oko Oyinim, no Kokafa. Ama and Binum so to the man of Marboni, or send the urban den, a yimbra, na yizimbra, na bande, as I'm Rabbi Sam. If you could done the Musubani etumezi or chase ma of brought to Berno, Nazama you were as fast as you were Ghana. The me about to sit Damano in Yinda Yutumne praising, and now Yinda Tumna, a war cry, our day to them, and then from Bakrando. Children say me dead. Abo, oh yeah, Ghana, I'm for one about papa, that's some see in Pray, walk on the faka for the main payan. Oh yeah, Shim Butumana Aquadum. The man or chance say me dead. O so there ever for the membrane munefi etuma boa ya bo oye enlamane de padon ho bede mozen kan na so de mokone etuma afede aye nyimmbra na afede mokwan de nyaza ososo do kra nto wen for oye embra kwando Coastaltv don ko kasebo na waso gode ya ko hineyima na no ye ko ekigina wo oye enkan no buffer stuff oye opayina odano mechire ofere to be oye free senior high school ya na cheda ofere to be no what is the banahro no to call your school saho to work man Onia Abdul Wahab oya bandi ye yimpa oya CEO oda oya buffer stock ano of to be no other in the banahro aban manisika don twin the banaka mo oya school saho osha abanasi now so what's the bisibiri the maybe what me be oya CEO oya chief executive officer odia oya no hokafo wan fambra kwan 6 year ye kese oya mbra etime so no mo papa Alpha oya emrakwandom na ende na yonko oya na we no kwa yasem de bia woman bill tema 100 million Ghana cedis what more than man without no to do the woman bill the man son in the year oya 50 million na what na without man be yin ze oya adansefo esian na be so no ze adansefo anan da woman bill na fi gura wotum yenhwen wo chensema akona wotum to anamar wonto anamar Anthony hina atuma abante ehwe oyo nkasefanyin ndu a ebohu de dem opanyin nu ane no ne hokafo na oyo akahya aye kar ma wotum ko sene wonyin ko aye embrima soyi na wonyin horo ko aye sesiara wonyin ko PlayStation na za otum ko biara wa kwa kochocho nka ata na efi atuma akodo surety so no so ne satum ka na choboboa ma biara atuma akodo yenda ye wosema baabe ye ba za akechi biara imama oye nnazema wana aso etumnati
Mido, Ghana biana. Ogo fa jebi wi aba besu en fita no pa e say baby she. Manga shi.
Junior!
I'm saying so enough for maybe the no.
Sister Cospa, it's a winning gas.
I'm used to it. Why? Why?
Down Yankana wa.
Sister Cos. Use gas. Gas ye fast, ye easy, and ye convenient.
Let me see your hand.
Right, Master Mama, aya akwa bebiem. Yereke say denchira manum anya aya ohen fofra. Enkana one found another oya hirin no fan oya opayin Oscar Kasi. No oya CEO automatum oya bankam FM oya jukwa. She say kese amanzo na membre bia tuma akoda abia wotum sha so jukwa. Ma abia bro pansam kanchinu gbe bisebiri when your oya hin fofra. Wotum abesa oya bo pansam oya nanim. Ama nazamba wo oye denchana no kwado won yi watuma agi papa dwumedi wo sha se wo oye dwukwa na sisa na wodoko oye dunko na okokkan se okwan eyeje yebe nsese soronko na etuma akodo a odefo boa pansama otodo oye enum na sisa etum na akeni oboboa mamba biara etuma akodo ama dencha asana afọ netampe fra biem menazama pinya no won yi etum na agi ntiza already ya za otum arokodo oye denche menma wonen sa kan oye ohen fofora hwenwe etuma agba papa inkite komobo a otum no okodo abira oye ohen kasi babakan sawo oye dunko melum Damen semi jesam no autumn no akrodo
Zodin kan sani na orasa ba hima no ye oye denkyere ba hima na ama anyenso Sara the third ne sisi awasan wonye oye odefo bo aponsam otie numa isoro ba boboa me bibia so etum ne ewie pe mpefe bia hia mo ayiko yi mo tirunkwa so na wonya me ho tinkita ho da akwan pa ofo da wo pirimpuntu etum aba oye denkyere manem no ye mo ayiko surunko ankasa ye go yimi te kijina sawefia ye ku a wonsha abana saman so tumu de hunu juma ofi bereto bere no za wo bo hunde wude o ma farfo dom etum ne enya kwan pa botu afada wo tumu ayefar akwan boneze wo so wompe akwan pa botu nya afada yetum yezinam ama ofi bereto bi hu djimezi bia wo zibiara wompe da wo sokania wo do sha oya kaneduase na emom kania wo sha wo de pono do ama nase ma wo hunde a hono etum hyirai so we fie tumi ta na marko oye kotokraba na mbia akoro melkom akoto ne nam akyekyense ma akyere dom da of bereto be yenzi nampa ana ma pomdene sam otum no yepe inkitei oye so we fie fo ho sam otum tuga abenta nawa
yo mandasi inda wa hadde yer botun nam ya to na ya package na ni senti papa inda ye train mesiafo wo honam wo kwana wo fodo a wo package nam boze nam wodan nam wo e bi shito wo e bi fish powder na ze na water na ya da man cheche na ewie no o woda ya nyi wo mu bi no mo ba na nza nam na wa package no ya ze ba kire edom inti na ye wa ha ni senti nyi ya hwede ya package nam na dam no ko fo boto ana so dey won koto inti hona wezi kan wa boto bi no so wo ba ya nyi woni di nkomo bisa hon mesa wo hunam na ya package no mo ti inti na ye wa ha ni senti papa nyi
nsame o de bugu ayo na di mo di kan ya abadi madna ye
ko mo di kan ye sasau powder I brofu yesterday shrimp powder ina yi so ye nam assorted ebasa na owom iyi ye amalco jack no ye ze ba ye ndi my friend no kwame osei ena my friend no kwame osei na Dr. Fish so ka ho ibe so ye tuna yellowfin tuna no so ka ho ntina dama enam ebase na ye ze ba gwe ha welcome ha da ye bota yes ndebie oya nde no nye yame ya match na ifida na ye wie
so how many days no moto how many years no buto no wazo
no shelf life yes 6 months eta 6 months go to my exactly impede butum so that freezer all put the no che there obezi more than 1 year on your free.
You say how many months are so
so says the freezer no so that after 6 months no depending on how one ka freezer na thing no go to mu achara ma so freezer na papa be 1 year po on your free.
It's that's like a kind of food it's the month of the I want to
mama catch 15 months o for the day see Sarah so what penam na wa ta won hwehwe mesiafa wa tete won wo enam home enam anu ho so ananso de mesiafa wa ma won certificate was a nam anya ne from one certified fish processing see aye nyukra no ye wo be wo mu 150 oha na ninchichem eduonum oha eduonum mesiafa wa certified na to no honam na damokofo no ya che on mesa what nam hu na wo hu aso na so en momai
na ya sawafia bomazin tumutuga abira wo bodewu da wonwe nampa yetu nsebo za yeko kijina wo ya amana Ethiopia man na yeko kijina Ethiopia man abomazin apa oye hydroelectrical dam fofo ho tam papa o chense medam yebabwa mo onyam nkani akoro ados wo ye Ethiopia man o chense me de ababwa so man na de jo
na edu donko kasa bo hia etumi bi si sanyantam na makansa wo o kasa mfanyi n'enyim za enkano yeno mampayin oye nezeche no ho kafo second lady Samira Bawumia achensem de nnazema wo ya mesafo no omamazin na ofibetu me ko hwe honanufu na hwene ya na birim etum na ahwere ho nkwa damara so na oya energy commission identity so nko amansam chofo wo ye finfirmanto ma ha acha wonde kwa na pa ba foda wotum no wa ba be hunu sem no ohia papa so jenya wo friend WO1 oya Mesa Abor